Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake in a Ninja Creami. First, gather your ingredients like milk, cream, and flavorings. Combine them in the Ninja Creami pint, ensuring it's filled to the max fill line. Then, freeze the pint on a flat, level surface for at least 24 hours to achieve a completely solid block of ice. This initial freezing step is absolutely crucial for the Creami's unique processing capabilities. For a classic milkshake, start with 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add your preferred flavorings, such as 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolate or a few drops of vanilla extract. Stir everything well to combine. Remember to keep the liquid level below the max fill line on the pint. Freezing it flat prevents uneven ice formation. Once your base is frozen solid, place the pint into the outer bowl and secure the lid. Select the milkshake function on your Ninja Creami. If the result is too thick or crumbly after the first spin, add 1 tablespoon of milk and respin it using the same function. For delicious mix-ins, add them after the initial spin and use the mix-in program. Your creamy, delicious milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the best texture and flavor. If you have any leftovers, simply store them back in the freezer. When you're ready for more, you might need to respin it on the milkshake setting with a splash of milk to regain that perfect consistency. Also, for those interested in financial wisdom, check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.